In front of me is Tank 3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill service. Select Google Password Manager and hit any password that you wish to delete. Finally, after entering your screen lock, you can hit the Delete option and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!